Yo, what's up everybody? It's Dr. John, and we're about to take off on a crazy adventure. We're talking about soaring over mountains, diving into ancient cities, all from the perspective of a freaking bird. You ever wonder what Pakistan looks like from the sky? Well, buckle up, because we're about to find out. This is Pakistan like you've never seen it before. So grab your headphones, crank up the volume, and let's get lost in the beauty of Pakistan. Let's go. All right, first up, we're headed straight to the top of the world, or at least it feels like it. This is the Hunza Valley, tucked away in the Karakoram mountains. Look at those peaks, man. They're like jagged teeth against the sky. You've got ancient villages clinging to the mountainsides, terraced fields carved out over centuries. It's like stepping back in time. The people here live in harmony with nature, and it shows. This is what it means to escape the noise, to truly connect with something bigger than yourself.
Get ready to have your mind blown, because we're about to drop in on the Badshahi Mosque in Lahore. This place is legendary, a masterpiece of Mughal architecture. Just look at the scale of it, the intricate details, the sheer grandeur. The drones giving us an insane view of the courtyard, the minarets, those massive domes. You can almost hear the echoes of prayers, feel the weight of history in these walls. This mosque has seen empires rise and fall, witnessed the changing tides of time. You could spend a lifetime studying the details and still discover something new every time. This is more than just a building. It's a testament to human creativity and faith.
Hold on tight, we're traveling back in time, like way back to the Indus Valley civilization. This is Mohenjo-Daro, one of the oldest cities in the world. The drone reveals the layout of the city, the grid system, the public baths, the advanced drainage. It's like peeking into a lost world, a forgotten chapter of human history. It's a reminder that civilizations rise and fall, but our shared human experience connects us through the ages. Okay, get ready for this, because this next spot is straight out of a fairy tale. This is Fairy Meadows, and yeah, it lives up to the name. Imagine lush green meadows, blanketed with wildflowers, towering pine forests, and the mighty Nanga Parbat, the killer mountain, looming in the distance. The air is crisp and clean. The silence is broken only by the sound of birdsong and the gentle breeze rustling through the trees. It's the kind of place where you can lose yourself for days, wandering through the meadows, soaking up the serenity. This is what it's all about, disconnecting from the chaos and reconnecting with nature. All right, we've saved the best for last. This is Lahore Fort, a sprawling complex of palaces, gardens and mosques that embodies the heart and soul of Pakistan. The drone takes us soaring over the Alamgiri Gate, the Sheesh Mahal with its shimmering mosaics, the majestic Badshahi Mosque standing guard in the distance. It's a visual feast, a tapestry of architectural styles that reflects the diverse influences that have shaped Pakistan over the centuries. It's a reminder of the enduring power of human creativity, the ability to build something truly extraordinary that transcends time. So there you have it, guys, a glimpse of Pakistan from a whole new perspective. We flew over mountains, explored ancient ruins, and soaked up the beauty of this incredible country. But this is just the beginning. There's so much more to discover, so many hidden gems waiting to be unearthed. Don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments which spot blew your mind. Until next time, peace out.